Let me tell you something about amadoda. You think that men are brave. Men are not brave. There's no man that's going to come and say, yeah, come, I'm going to date you. And I don't know, babe, I'm going to take care of you. Because, so now you have to walk into a room. And as I said, I'm hot. You walk into a room, there's a bunch of men that any other day, if it wasn't for this shooting, any of them would have taken me, married me, dated me, made me go around the world. But now when they see, it's all over Google. She's been shot. She's been shot. This. She's a snitch. She's this. She's this. That time, most of them are rich politicians, businessmen. They've also had to do bad things. But maybe they don't kill people. Then after that, you leave that room. Once they hear your name, your self-esteem again, dig it down. Forgetting food to cut. This is what happens behind closed doors. Ulle. Why? Why kisaswa he? Ubona abanye abangani bakho umuntu abaya-busy baya-levelisha before benihamba on the same level. Babona abangani bakho nama-enemies wakho. Futhi abanye badla ngami. Ubuyele futhi ekhaya. Khali.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is KZN Podcast and Everybody's Podcast. This is Tebogo Tobejana, the one who was speaking on a previous video. Tebogo Tobejana is an ex of Vuskit Mahlala. Vuskit Mahlala is the one who is currently held or in jail for corruption, for attempted murder, for kuningi nje kodwa shembe Nkosi yami into zakhe yabo. But iqale lamfaka ilona lelo ukuthi he was trying to assassinate his ex-girlfriend. This is the ex-girlfriend Tebogo Tobejana, and ilona ke iqale lamthatha laze layomfaka ekinateleni uMahlala. It is said ukuthi he paid about 150,000 and keep it deposit 50,000 ukuzobula uTebogo Tobejana. Why did she want to unalive uTebogo? Because Tebogo knew a lot, and Ovos is the guy owa bulala India lasethembisa uBarbara because of corruption abayenza of taking imali yasesibhedlela eyela kwimapillion. He was not alone ke kodwa shem uMahlala lo yona phela uthi mone ebhadi nje ibhadi la kwazi kubo. He was with umshana ka-President Cyril Ramaphosa, ama-vendor guys amagama abo, but umamwela lo. So and Vus Mahlala, whatever that he's facing, yagcina implicator SAPS Minister of Police uSenzo Mchunu. Hence he is suspended. Yazi yangenela ku-General Sibiya ahead of Hawks nje commissioner wamaphoyisa ba-corrupt bonke. Now usiyakhala kumntana abantu Nkosi yami uthi anisamsheli because igama lakhe ligcwele all over, and abantu sebeyamazi uthi uyazazi ukuthi muhle and uyazazi ukuthi umi kahle, uyazazi sekhulile. However awuyazi ukuthi mengabe ngena amadoda ajika amakhanda, kodwa uthi nje soon as igama lakhe amadoda ayasaba ngoba saba ukuthi uyisnitch bazodutshulwa ukhethe. Uthi abangani bakhe sebephila kangcono kunaye, even ama enemies zakhe uthi nje ayisekho indoda nje ipolitician emisa phesheya. About Tebogo, so she means that she's been living large, she's been going overseas, entertaining men and being entertained by men, by politicians, but the konke logo sekuphelile simply because the fact that she is now known as Vus Mahlala's ex-girlfriend owasinda edutshula. So guy lady is very concerned ukuthi amadoda South Africa amagwala, why ningasamsheli ngoba nazi ukuthi wacishe wadutshulwa? Nisabani? Nisaba isibhamu, nisaba umuntu osejele. So if you are here watching, please try ngicela nishele ingane yabantu ukuze ibuyele ekutraveleni. Uthi akasatravel, uthi ufika endlini akhala lile athi modimo kodwa yini kwasho kwacema. Bese ngazi sinabana amafika bayakhala. What do you think, guys? What do you think of what Tebogo is saying? Usho ukuthi yena usustain ngani kanti ngamadoda kuphela?